Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I do it every time, sis, every time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to do a get to know me tag, and I'm gonna answer 15 to 20 questions, and my dear friend is going to read the questions off to me. Hopefully you guys can hear her. If you can't, I'll just repeat the question. So, all right, question number 1.
How many pairs of shoes do you currently own?
How many pair of shoes do I currently own? Hold on. I currently own about 50 pair. Currently. I give away and I do away with some, then I go buy some more. Question number 2.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is cappuccino chunky chocolate. No, that's not my favorite. That's not my favorite. That is my favorite. Okay. Question number 3.
What does the last text message you received say?
What does the last text message that I received say? It said, getting questions together, my sister called.
What is your favorite TV show?
Question number 4. What is my favorite TV show? Okay. All right. I am a big TV buff. I love old shows and I love new shows. My favorite TV show from the past is The Cosby Show, and Cosby. And my current TV show it's not on anymore, but it's Scandal. That's my favorite television show of all time. Okay. Question number 5.
What is your zodiac sign?
My zodiac sign, I believe, is a Leo. I'm a lion. Okay. Question number 6, I believe.
Would you rather be invisible or be able to read minds?
Question number 6, would I rather be invisible or able to read minds? Let's see. To be completely honest, I think I can already read people's minds. I don't know, but I think I can. So I think I would rather be invisible. I mean, could you imagine someone invisible not knowing that they're standing there and y'all are just in mid-conversation talking about folks? Question number 7. Are we on 7?
Do you prefer?
Okay, go ahead.
Do you prefer texting or phone calls?
Texting. If I don't have to talk, we can text all day long. Just don't call me. If it could be said in the text, text me. Next.
Can you swim?
Oh yes, I can swim. I'm a fish. I can swim. Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure? Okay, question number, I think we're on like 8 or 9.
It's 9.
Okay.
Have you met any celebrities?
I haven't met any. Yes. I've met several celebrities. Next.
What inspired you to make YouTube videos?
What inspired me to make YouTube videos? I would have to say that I did it to overcome a fear. I've overcame that fear. And so it's actually getting easier and easier with each video. I'm having a lot more fun. Next.
Question number 11. What's your favorite meal that you cook at home?
My favorite meal that I cook at home? A salad. That is my favorite meal. I know that sounds really off, but it is a salad. Like I can down a big bowl of salad. And if you have the right ingredients for a salad, you got it made. Next.
Question number 12. What language would you love to learn?
What language? Well, I am rediscovering Spanish as we speak. I knew a little bit of it and it just kind of left me. So I'm relearning it. I think the other language I would love to dabble in, maybe like French or an African language, or even an Indian language. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. But currently I'm relearning Spanish, which is so much fun. I've learned so much. Go ahead.
Question number 13. What is your favorite quarantine activity?
My favorite quarantine activity was literally sleeping. That was my favorite activity. A good nap. Oh my gosh. Another one, I say binge watch some movies, binge watch a TV show, read a good book. I went through several scripts. Like I would just pick a play and just read the whole thing. Yeah. August Wilson, he's one of my favorite. Who else? Anyway, yes, continue. Go ahead.
Question number 13.
I thought we were just on 13. Wait, I mean 14. I'm about to say we just did 13. Okay, 14.
Question number 14. What's the last thing that made you laugh?
These questions. These questions made me laugh. I have to say, besides today, the last thing that made me laugh was Ashley, my friend. She made, oh my gosh. Number 15. Oh, number 15.
Number 15. Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm an introvert. Oh. Y'all, if I don't have to leave this house, I won't. You know what? Yes, I'm an introvert. I really am. But no, I don't. Okay. Number which one?
That's it. We're on 15.
Oh, you only did 15?
Yeah, you asked me to do 15.
Throw in 5 more, sis. Throw in 5 more. We'll give them 5 more. We'll give them 5 more. Give them some easy ones.
Okay. Number 16. What's your favorite Starbucks drink?
Number 16. What is my favorite Starbucks drink? My favorite Starbucks drink, now that I've actually had to change my entire lifestyle, it is a sugar-free latte. Sugar-free vanilla latte iced. That is my favorite drink. If I had not changed my lifestyle for the better, it would have been a caramel frappuccino with chocolate chips and lots of caramel drizzle with almond milk. But since I had to change my lifestyle up, it is a sugar-free vanilla latte with almond milk. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Number 17. Describe your ChickfilA meal.
My ChickfilA meal. Describe my ChickfilA meal. It is a salad. It is the marketplace salad. No blueberries because I am highly allergic. No blue cheese. Instead, I sub it for shredded cheese. 2 avocado ranches. No, that sounds real fat. But avocado ranch and some What are those packets again?
Honey roasted barbecue.
Honey roasted barbecue. On the salad, it comes with chicken, strawberries, apples, granola, and almonds. Oh, and a large water. That's my story.
What's your favorite activity to do outside the house?
In the event that I leave the house, what is my favorite activity to do outside the house? In the event that I leave the house, what is my favorite activity to do outside the house? Shop. And literally shop. And I go to the theater because I love the theater. You know what? I shop, but what I do shop for, because I still watch DVDs. And so I usually go to one of the local movie stores and I will like literally just shop for DVDs that I don't have. So that's what I do. Next.
Okay, question number 19.
19. Oh, we got 2 more. Oh, this was good. This was so good. Okay.
One more. Okay. So, question number 19.
Okay.
Are you a roller skater or a skateboarder?
Question number 19. Am I a roller skater or a skateboarder? I am a roller skater. I could never get the skateboard unless it had the handles. You know, that skateboard, I couldn't do it. But rollerblading, it's all me. It's all me right there. Yeah. Number 20.
Question number 20.
20.
Sis, I see that you are an Apple user. What is your favorite Apple product?
I am an Apple user. I own the... What was the question? Well, let me see. I have the Apple Watch. I have the iPhone. I have the mouse. I have the MacBook. I have the iPad, Apple Home. I think my favorite is, well, my favorite's my phone, my iPhone. That'll be my favorite. It can go with me everywhere. I can type on it if I need to. I can watch whatever I want to watch on it. I can sit here and make videos on it all day. So yeah, it's multifunctioning, this iPhone. And it better be multifunctioning for the amount that is paid for it. Throw one bonus one in there, girl. Throw a funny one in there. Throw a good one.
I have to pull those four out of my butt.
Okay, I'll give you guys one. I will give you guys one. Question number 21. What is my favorite color? My favorite color is black.
The color of skin.
Okay. Okay, wait. I actually have 4 favorite colors, but the major favorite color is black. But I also love pink. I love orange. And I love vibrant colors. So fuchsia, like those colors are my favorite. You're not going to see them a lot on me, but I love those colors. Okay. So we have done the get to know me tag. I'm super excited that we did this. I love it. I adore it. Ashley, we signing off? You got any other questions? No? Deuces? Okay. So I do want to say before I sign off, that, what was I going to say? This always happens. No. I do want to say that, stick around. I'm going to pull out some more videos. Also that, check me out on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at IamKLovely. And then you can follow my business page at Lovely Cosmetics LLC. That's cosmetics with a K. And you can also follow my YouTube Instagram, Lady Kathryn. I do believe it's Lady Kathryn 7. And so just stay tuned. Got some more stuff coming up. Got some new products coming out. Some more lippies and some other things. I think that's it. Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, great. I'm signing off. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. See you on the next one. All right, bye. Oh, it's not ended. How you end this thing?
Oh no, you the Apple user.
Oh, my hair looks really good. I look really good. Oh, I look good. Oh.